Hey, welcome to ClickAds. Today I'm going to show you how you can publish your ads from ClickAd to the Google. So before starting the process, let me explain you this particular screen what this all have. Here you can see all the ads which you have already created and are saved over here. So here you can see the button to publish on Google. So before clicking on that, you need to add your account to the ClickAd application. To do that, you have to click on integrations tab over here and click on connect Google. Once you click on that, it will ask you to choose your email account, and the error which you can see over here is that this application, the authentication process is still in under process by Google, but the publish ads are working perfectly. So you need to click on this button and go to click at over here, and now it will ask you to manage your advert campaigns. Just allow it. So, and these are the options, and just click on allow. Now my account is connected to Google Ads integration. Now I need to move back to the manage ads section. So now you are on manage ads section. Here you need to click on this button publish on Google, and once you click on that, it will show you the headline, and which each label we have this small question mark icon which shows you what exactly this label means. So for here we need to make sure that the content should be 30 characters because this is the limit of Google Ads. So let me edit this, and for the demo, let's me put this for demo video, and just want to make it quick. So once I'm done with that, it will take me to the main screen where I can insert other setting options of my ads. So now here I need to enter my manager account customer ID. So basically what this is, let me explain you. If I navigate to my ads account over here, you can see this is my ads account, and you can see over here if I click on my profile image, you can see the three accounts are under my single ad account. One having a access of manager and other two are not managers. So I have to enter this particular manager ID because these are the manager accounts. If I click on this any of this and I copy any of these manager, if I think that it's a manager account and I use this particular ID, then it won't work. So I have to copy this one where it's manager. You can copy it from here, or you can do it by clicking on question mark, and your manager account customer ID is this. You can copy this as well. So I just copy this, go back to the click add, press enter, and it will access the account attached with that particular customer ID. Now I need to select a campaign, or I can create a new one. I just created a new campaign for this video demo with, and I create choose a ad group and click on next. Now here I can see the image, the headline, the long headline with a description, and uh, ad description. Here I can see the things what I should take care while writing the ads description. A business name, my business name is uh, the foodie, and a button redirect URL can be it's a dummy URL. It won't work. Foodie.store, and I can click on publish. Once I click on that, you can see application will check the things and will let you know the error. Please crop your image before publishing. So let me go back to the image and just I want to change the image. So this is the bigger image. I just need to make sure it's fit into the, or I can upload it from the server from my desktop and I click on crop. There are two other options I have. I can either use this image directly or I can edit this image. Edit means that it will open up the editor where I can type in the text layer to this. If I want to add a text, let me put that and show you how exactly it's going to work. Demo, and I have options to uh, change its font family and color. Let's add some good color to it, and let me put the red, mm, this one, and text transform audio wave, and I can click on apply. Let me put this over here, click on apply. So once I click on that, the ClickRed application will use that particular image as the logo, and I can see the preview over here. You can see the image and this, uh, and here's the URL which I have added as the target URL. I click on the publish and boom, that's all.